Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 16, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 16, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 16, 2024 Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 17 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 61 million pesos for Wednesday, October 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 16, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.